Oh my God, I'm so excited because today we are leveling up our DIY skincare game. Today we're making a 1% hyaluronic acid solution that is going to hydrate and plump your skin like a pro product, but for a fraction of the cost. And once it's made, we can just use it by itself, or we can add it into other products like lotions, serums, and even some toners. So if you do not know what hyaluronic acid is, it is a humectant, meaning that it is drawing moisture to our skin, leaving it feeling really, really hydrated, soft, and very, very smooth. This is a very easy DIY that gives you so many other results and things that you can do with it, because all you need is distilled water, hyaluronic acid, and a preservative, and today I'm using liquid Germall Plus as my preservative. The very first thing that we're going to do is get a scale. You need to make sure you have a really good digital scale. So that's where we start. I have my little beaker here. We're going to start with our distilled water. Now we're going to do the preservative, and I am using liquid Germall Plus. Now we're going to add the hyaluronic acid. I'm going to measure mine out in a separate container because whenever I'm measuring things, I tend to be a little heavy-handed. And I don't want to pour too much into our already distilled water solution, and now we have to start over because I've done too much. So I'm just gonna put it in a separate container. We're going to pour the hyaluronic acid into our water and preservative, but we are not going to mix it. We're not going to mix it. It's really important to just let the hyaluronic acid just soak into the water. One thing for this solution is that we do not want to we don't want to stir it or mix it up. So what we do want to do is just let the hyaluronic acid hydrate inside of the water. So we've taken it off the scale. We're going to put this piece of cling wrap over top. And we are going to let it hydrate for a couple of hours. So it has been about an hour and a half, and you can see how the hyaluronic acid is kind of hydrated in there a little bit. But if I move it around, it's a little like jelly ball in there. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but we still have a little ways to go. It's been an additional, I believe, 3 hours is what I did, and you can see there's no more like white. It's fully incorporated, but there is, I don't know if you can tell, like a little chunk in there. So what we're going to do is use a little blender like this, and we're going to blend it up. Now it's all done. Look how this, oh, it has a really nice like consistency. We're all done. We can now use this for any types of lotions, serums, or toners that we're going to use in the future. And that's it, your very own 1% hyaluronic acid solution made from your home. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and then hit that notification bell to never miss another video. Until next time, happy crafting.